So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can make photo collage on Android. And for this video, we are using Samsung Galaxy S21 FE. So first of all, open the app drawer on your phone. Now from here, open the Gallery app. And then open the album from which you want to create the collage. For example, let's say screenshots. Now, select the photo of which you want to make the collage. For example, these four. So I will select them like this. After this, tap on this create button. And now you will see three options: GIF, collage and movie. To make a photo collage, tap on collage. And this will generate a collage. Now you will see different styles here, like this, or this one. Select the one you want to use and then tap on save. And this will save the collage. Now go back again. Now as you can see here, this is the collage saved. So this is how you can make photo collage on Android. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.